Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna talk about digraphs. Digraphs consist of two characters that combined make a different symbol, a special symbol in a given language. Let me show you. If we go :H digraphs, we can see that digraphs are used to enter characters that normally cannot be entered by an ordinary keyboard. You can use them in insert mode with Control K. So for example, Control K, capital O, capital K is going to output this check mark, or Control K, double X is going to output this X symbol. If you're learning a different language, maybe German for example, you can use Control K, double S, and it's going to output the SZ letter. You also have the vowels with dots on the top with the vowel and then colons, or colon and then the vowel. It works either way. We have the euro sign, and also, well, let me show you. There are many available symbols. You can find the whole list if you go :dig, but it looks a little bit messy. So instead of that command, we can use :dig and add a bang. And now it's classified. And you can scroll down until you find the symbol that you're looking for. They are very easy to remember once you find them because they are mnemonic. Here we have, for example, these accented vowels with a single quote and then the vowel, like this. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next one.